Hey everyone, welcome back with the new project. So this is a full stack application I made with the Next.js, TypeScript, Tailwind CSS and ShadCN. Also for the database I used here MongoDB. So this is a GT5 mod selling website and I made this for my brother. Here you can check out her Instagram profile. This is a full stack application. It requires me 2 weeks to complete this and it has an admin panel to manage the whole website. So if I will tell you about the whole application, it requires me 15 to 20 minutes. So I will try to cover it very shortly. So let's get started with this. Here you can see that there is a top categories section, and after that the top ratings, and here you can check out the YouTube channel, and here is the profile link. And after that you can see here the category section. So here are all the categories. By the way, the link of this project is in description. You can check out my GitHub profile. So on clicking KTM, you can see the KTM mod is present. Like this is the only mod with the KTM. And after that you can search by category Bajaj. So the Pulsar is here, and after that Royal Enfield. Like, and let me tell you, these mods are not of my brother. So these are the testing mods I taken from the Google. On clicking here you can see tractor, so you can check out here, and also you can view all images. Here are all the images, and you can see here the top rating section. And let me tell you, these are the features here, like views will be counted and likes, ratings, you can share, and after that add to wish list, add to cart, and also you can like here. So this feature is not available, as we can see that we haven't logged in yet. So let's log in it first, and let's create a one account. So here if the user is new, the account will be created, and if the user is existing, then they will be login. So this way I implemented, and you can see here the OTP is received, and I will copy this OTP and will log in. Yeah, as simple as like the OTP is sent, you can verify it, and the login is done. And now you can see here the contact us. If they anyone who wants to contact, this will be go to the admin panel. Now this is the add to cart section, and you can see, and this is totally responsive, so you can check out here. Yeah, this one. Let's go to the profile section. Here is the profile. You can add the details here, cart section and all. So let me add some of the details, and then phone number, and these are the like mandatory fields. So I will add the link, and if the like URL is invalid, like this is mandatory to have only the Instagram. So now update it, and you can see here now VM is written because it's taken the first letter of each word. So now we can add the profile image and we can update it. Now let's go to the section. We can add to cart here. Let's explore it. So the bullet, and now let's see the features. Rating and likes. So we can here like it. So this problem occurs a lot because it is in testing. This is a free deployment, so it happened a lot. So you can see here. Let me refresh it once. You can see here the like is shown, and now let's rate this mod. I will give 5 rating, and now you can see that it's happened. Sometimes it not happened, sometimes it happened. So this is the problem here, and this is the detail. Now let's add some more mods. Okay, you can add to the wish list also. I have taken a lot of mods, 6 mods. Let's check out here, and you can see these are in my add to cart, and the total price you can increase from here. You can delete it. You can see here the mods are deleted. When you order this, so there is send inquiry because my brother don't want to like add like a Stripe account and everything right now. So there is some reason. So you can see here this inquiry will be sent to the administrator. You can read it here, and if you want to add some of the message, let's take any random message. I will copy this and will paste here. You can see the inquiry is sent successfully. And now you can see here in the order section the inquiry is created, and you can see the list of mods. You have selected the quantity and everything. uh, it is in review, so there will be call by my brother, the administrator, and then will reach out to you, and will the everything will be manual, and after that the successful and the status will be updated. And also you can see the wish list. So this is all from the customer side. Let's see about the admin panel. So for the admin panel, let me show you here. Yeah, this is the admin panel. No, not this one. Now let's check it out, the admin panel. So this requires a lot of time. It's more than a week. You can see that this there are active users 6. You can block the user from the admin panel. Like, all functionalities are there: total categories, active mods, total mods, gallery images. So this is like a uh, for me it is advanced feature I added here. Like, everything is here, but yeah, this one. Then you can see here total mods by rating, top 5 mods, and you can see here. And after that, KTM Duke, and yeah, by views. And you can see here recent inquiry. The inquiry was created by me. So this, and after that you can see the recent views. And now let's see the category. So these are the categories here, and you can add delete category, and if you will try to delete, it will say that the mod already assigned to this category. So if there is mod exist with this category, then it will not be deleted. Also you can add category here. Let's create one more, which is, now you can see here. So this is the gallery. Like, this images are stored in the cloud. All images are stored in a cloud, so we can use any of the image from here. You can see here I have taken this image, and you can, there is a carousel section, the images, and yeah, this image is selected. You can delete it, you can add it. Also, if you want to upload, let's take images and open. So you can view all images from here, and let's take this one. Yeah, this way. And once the images, let's take only the one. Once the images are uploaded, you can see the image is uploaded. Now you can use it from here, and you can create the mod. So you can see BMW, and you can delete it from here right now. So this is all functionality of mod, and you can see all the mods here. You can uh, see the ratings and views, discount, like everything. You can block the KTM from here, Duke. Yeah, it is blocked. Let's see now on the website. In the website section, if we go to explore KTM, you can see the KTM is not present because it was deactivated. So let me activate, and you can see all the images from here. And also you can see on the website, and even you can update it, delete it. Now let's edit this. So this is the edit section. You can add, like, write anything. I used a React quill, and you can add images. Here you can update it. Like, let's go to the gallery again, and if you want to delete, so uh, update. As you can see that the mods are not selected, just because we there is a limit, only 6 images can be selected. And now once you delete from here, and you can select it from here, so this way. And I'm not going to update this right now. Let's create one of the project images. You can see after that Thar, let's say, and then price 45, discount 12, 21, and then select the category from here. And if the category is not like empty, you can't create any mod. And after that you can add a specification as you want. You can delete it from here. Let's add some of the and then and there's make mod this public, or you want to like private, so you can do this from here. And after that let's add something. So now let's save it. Now you can see the mod is uh, thar. Okay, let's check out. And you can select here category from here also. So in KTM section, which category is there? Category is KTM. Okay, the status is deactive. So now let's see again. Yeah, this is here. Now let's go to the gallery. So this is the gallery here. You can delete or add. When you try to delete, this will be redirected. Because if you delete the image from here, it can be deleted from the mod section. So I add this warning here. And also you can upload image from here. You can see that we can add images from here. Now let's go to the user section. So you can see here all the users. So GT5 mods, you can even block the user from here. You can check out the profile image. You can see here the profile images. And now let's go to the review section. Here you can see all the reviews. COC max of 50, then the and you can check out the image of the mod and everything. You can also check out the view mod here. And after that, OTPs. So this is the section users tried to log in, but after that he left. In this case, the all the OTPs will be shown here, and if user try logged in successfully, then it will be deleted from the OTP section. And you can see that we have created the recent inquiry. So this inquiry is present here, and we can see the details of this. You can see the message here and the price and everything, their number and email, everything. So I will call from here, and we will see like after that. Now you can see the mods from here, view mod and everything. Now you can, if the is reviewed, or you can do it on hold. Now you can see the status on hold, and once you complete this successfully, it will be gone from here, and it will shown in the history section. So you can check out here. Once the successful, you cannot change the status of it. And after that, here is a contact section. If the user tries to any contact, like you can see here, there I created the random. You can see unseen and seen. You can see the by filtering. And after that, there is a action to delete, or you can check out here the message, contact us. I think this is my one of the best application I made, and I know that you liked this application. So please hit the subscribe button and like this video and share it with your friends to make this such amazing application. And now I will meet with you with the new project.